Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply a bouncing transitions to your edits in the CapCut mobile. So just add your image or video into CapCut, and after that, to add the bounce transition, just click on the transition box, this white box in between the clips, and here just click on the search column and search for the bouncing transition. Click on enter. Okay, so there are lots of bounce type transition that you can use. So the specific one is this bounce and also bounce left transition. Let's try bounce or bounce left. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Here I'm going to adjust it to around 0.5 seconds. If you want to apply it to all, click on this, but I'm going to use a different bouncing transition for the next one. For example, here let's try search for bouncing again, and I'm going to use this zoom shake transition. Okay, now just click on the check icon, and that's it. So this is the bouncing transition. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.